You're invited to the 30th Annual Northern New England Lectures, happening October 10th through the 12th at Lakes Region Church of Christ, located on 1 Mill Street in Tilton, New Hampshire. Join us for a weekend of practical Bible lessons that build up, challenge, and encourage you, as well as thoughtful discussion on restoring the church through discipleship, leadership, and sound doctrine. Plus free meals, including a Saturday cookout. The event is free, but space is limited. To RSVP, visit lakesregioncoc.com, click on the 2025 Lectureship event under Events, then hit RSVP to reserve your spot. The lectures run from 7 p.m. Friday, October 10th, through the afternoon of Sunday, October 12th. Don't miss this opportunity to build relationships and dig deeper into God's Word.